How to fix error_connection_reset in Chrome. If you're reading the error_connection_reset in your Google Chrome browser, try these methods, run CCleaner and the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Method 2, set up MTU, Maximum Transmission Unit. 2.1 Write down the name of your own active wireless network connection under Network Connections. 2.2. Run the following command as admin, netshare interface IPv4 set subinterface name of the network connection for MTU equals 1472 store equals %. Method 3, clearing browser's cache. Method 4, temporarily disable antivirus program. Method 5, disable Apex Networks Accelerator feature. Method 6, by netshare win. Reset command. Run these commands as admin, IP protocol configuration /flushtns entstat r netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset. Method 7, disable proxy in IE11. Method 8, update Chrome first. Back up your personal data, then reset your Chrome browser settings.